What activities have you monitored po at Sabina Shoal, sir? Kasi you said you have been monitoring po sa area. Ano ho ang mga na-monitor na pong activities?
Yes, we have monitored the presence of a survey vessel, the Sanhao. For the past 10 days, we have tracked the area it has traversed. It came from Mischief Reef 10 days ago. It has sailed through areas within Sabina Shoal and southern part of Sabina Shoal. We have informed the appropriate government agency about this.
So how long have you been there, if you have an information? How long have you been staying in the area po? Like for how many days now?
The survey ship,
Yes, sir.
it has been crisscrossing the area. We have monitored it leaving Mischief Reef 10 days ago. 10 days ago. 10 days ago, it left Mischief Reef. It has been doing an illegal, rather a zigzag pattern close to Sabina and the southern part of Sabina Shoal. We have informed the appropriate government agency about this. We have checked with DFA. No request for a survey has been filed by that ship.